A to Z construction vehicles and their uses. A. A is for asphalt paver. Asphalt paver is used to lay roads. It spreads hot asphalt smoothly. B. B is for bulldozer. Bulldozer pushes soil, sand and stones. It clears land for construction. C. C is for crane. Crane lifts heavy materials. It is used to build tall buildings. D. D is for dump truck. A dump truck carries sand, soil and stones. It unloads material easily. E. E is for excavator. An excavator digs soil and rocks. It is used for digging foundation. F. F is for forklift. A forklift lifts heavy loads. It is used at construction sites and warehouses. G. G is for grader. A grader levels the ground. It makes the road surface smooth. H. H is for hammer drill. Hammer drill makes holes in concrete. It is used in building works. I. I is for industrial loader. An industrial loader moves materials. It helps load and unload items. J. J is for jackhammer. A jackhammer breaks hard concrete. It is used in road repair work. K. K is for knuckle boom crane. This crane lifts heavy materials. It works well in small spaces. L. L is for loader. Loader picks up soil and sand. It helps move materials quickly. M. M is for mixer truck. Mixer truck mixes cement and concrete. It keeps concrete ready for use. And N is for nail gun. Nail gun fixes nails quickly. It saves time in construction work. O. O is for overhead crane. An overhead crane lifts heavy objects. It is used in big construction areas. P. P is for paver machine. A paver machine builds roads. It spreads asphalt evenly. Q. Q is for quarry truck. A quarry truck carries stones. It is used in mining and construction. R. R is for road roller. A road roller flattens road. It makes road strong and smooth. S. S is for skid steer loader. This machine works in small areas. It moves soils and materials. T. T is for tower crane. A tower crane lifts material to great heights. It is used for tall buildings. U. U is for utility vehicle. A utility vehicle carries tools. It helps workers at sites. V. V is for vibratory roller. This roller presses the ground firmly. It strengthens road. W. W is for wheel loader. A wheel loader lifts and moves material. It is fast and powerful. X is for X-type crane. This crane lifts heavy loads safely. It gives extra balance. Y is for yard truck. A yard truck moves material inside sites. It helps in transport work. Z is for Z boom loader. A Z boom loader lifts heavy loads. It is used in construction and mining.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.